Hey y'all, I'm Hisha, the founder of the DIY Entrepreneurs and the lead facilitator for the Scale Up Sessions. With over 15 years of experience as a bookkeeper, starting with QuickBooks Desktop and now specializing in QuickBooks Online, I've helped small business owners set up and manage their QuickBooks Online system. I also teach QuickBooks Online for a local business accelerator program. And based on the experiences of these entrepreneurs that I've watched build their business, I created the Start to Scale program to provide trusted and practical insights in helping you set up your QuickBooks Online system yourself and grow the confidence that's needed in communicating your business goals. Let's dive into today's topic. Today, I'll be showing you how to add both your customers and your vendors in your QuickBooks Online system. Setting up your customer and vendor profiles is crucial for managing transactions, tracking your payments, and keeping your financial data organized. First, let's walk through how to add a new customer. So from the QuickBooks dashboard, you're going to go to the Sales tab and then click on Customers. Here you'll select New Customer to create this new profile. You'll want to enter the key details about your customer, like their name, their company address, their contact information, and the billing and shipping addresses if they're different. You can also set up your payment terms, which will normally be due on receipt, or net 15, net 30 if you give them 30 days to pay their invoices. Having this information in place ensures that your invoices are accurate, and it helps you to manage your accounts receivables more effectively. Next, we're going to add a vendor. Next, you're going to go to the Expenses tab and click on Vendors. Now you're going to select the New Vendor button and enter the vendor details, such as their name, contact information, and address, and the tax ID number if it's applicable. Setting up your vendors properly allows you to track expenses and manage accounts payable effectively. This information will help you to keep track of what you owe to each vendor, and it makes tax reporting easier when you need to file your 1099s or report any expenses. You can always manage and update customer and vendor profiles as needed. To edit a profile, you're simply going to go to the customer or the vendor section, select the profile that you want to update, and make adjustments like the contact details or email address or the payment terms. You can also attach important documents like the contracts or tax forms, making it easy to access everything in one place. Keeping these profiles up to date ensures smoother financial operations and more accurate reporting when you're tracking your payments or your expenses. So to recap, adding new customers and vendors in QuickBooks Online is essential to managing your transactions and keeping your financial data organized. By regularly updating these profiles, you'll make sure your business runs smoothly. So if you're looking to get more detailed guidance on setting up and managing your business in QuickBooks, join me at the QuickBooks Online Scale Up Sessions, where I'll walk you through each step along the way. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.